Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn English language with the help of this flower. As you can see, it is a rose. Okay, so what kind of things we can learn from it? What kind of vocabularies we can learn from it? What kind of sentences we can make from it? So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, it is a small flower. Okay, so the first thing whatever we are able to see, that is it's like a stick. Whatever we hold it and then we give it to someone, just like it. Okay, do not think something like that. I'm not talking about that. Okay, uh, so whatever we hold it, so that is called, actually, in Hindi we call it branth, but in English we call it pesule. What is it called? Pesule. Okay, and if we move little upward, so we will find that is called, in Hindi we call it pushpa asan, but in English we call it thalamus. Thalamus, yeah. And if we move little upward, so we will find the group of calyx. The group of calyx, like, sorry, it is the group of, actually, sepal. Yeah, because calyx, it's like green, whatever you are able to see, it's called green. So that is, these all the things are called, uh, in Hindi we call it Wahid al Punj, and in English we call it uh, calyx. And if there is only one calyx, so that is called sepal. Okay, only one. Okay, that is called sepal. And if we go into this calyx, so which is that, I mean, that is actually, we can say, corolla. In English we call it corolla, and in Hindi we call it dalpunj. Okay, and one, like, only one, if there is only one, the group of, we can say, petals. Okay, one leaf of the flower is called petal, so the group of petal is called corolla. Okay, and another thing if we talk about, so that is called, actually, there are two parts of this flower. Okay, every flower has two parts. The first one is called male, the second one is called female. In male parts we call it like androecium, and female part we call it gynoecium. Okay, and in androecium there are three parts of androecium. Okay, I will be talking about it in English language only. I do not have knowledge about in Hindi, all the things. Okay, so the first part is called filament. As you can see here, filament, it is called filament. And then if we move upward, so that is called anther. Okay, anther. And in this anther we call it, like, whatever we find it, and that is called pollen grains. Okay, pollen grains, as you can see here. And if we talk about, like, these three things are called, I mean, these three things come in the androecium. Okay, male parts. And if we talk about female parts, so that is called gynoecium. In gynoecium there are also three parts, like, first called is uh, ovary. Okay, and as you can see here, ovary. And if we move upward, little upward, so that is called style. It is not that style, it is something else. Okay, and if we move little, I mean, more upwards, I think so, it is called in Hindi vartikagra. Yeah, in Hindi we call it vartikagra, but in English we call it uh, stigma. Yeah, stigma. So these types of part in this flower.